Hi there, Poppin' PJ here, and I am doing a product review on the original GreenPan. I needed a new non-stick pan to cook my omelet, so I was at Kohl's and looked around and I saw this GreenPan and thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. It comes with a spatula. Take that. I purchased it at Kohl's for $24.99. This frying pan has a non-stick coating that is PFAS-free. It is quick heating because of its heavy gauge aluminum that delivers excellent heat conduction. So let's get busy and make my omelet. Now don't laugh at me because I am not a cook. Okay, you can laugh at me, I would. As all great and yummy omelets start with butter. Melting the pat of butter. Now pouring in the eggs. Some pepper, lots of pepper, some pink salt. Look how easy the egg just slides in the pan. Okay, we're gonna try to flip this now. Go, I did it! I love American cheese in my omelet. Some tomatoes and some fresh spinach. Now to flip half of it over. I can see I probably had the heat up a little too high. It's still going to be tasty though, trust me. So I flipped it onto the plate. It wasn't pretty. Maybe a little too well done, but it is so good. Let me take another bite. Here is the residue in the pan after offloading the omelet onto my plate. And this is the same pan 6 months later after many omelets that I have made. I really like this GreenPan, and I forgot to mention that it has stay cool handles. And the great thing is when you're cooking in this pan, you know that your food is going to be healthy. And most of all, it's a great pan even if you're a crappy cook.